Russian company that builds drones, has been developing a rideable drone called the hoverbike. The latest version of the hoverbike is called Scorpion 3, which merges a standard motorbike design with drone quadcopter technology to allow riders to maneuver in the air as if they were riding a bike. The Scorpion 3 can carry 104 kilograms or 229 pounds in weight, while hitting speeds of up to 43 miles per hour and reach an altitude of 33 feet. This electric bike has a range of 13 miles, with between 20 and 40 minutes of flying time on a single charge, depending on the battery type. Its batteries can be recharged in 3 hours, or they can be swapped out in a minute. The hoverbike has been designed with diverse conditions in mind and employs inbuilt software for full manual and automated control. It's marketed as safe thanks to the state-of-the-art flight controllers that keep checks on parameters like altitude and speed. But the one common theme on all these drone vehicles, like the EHang 184 drone taxi video I did, and this hoverbike, is no matter how safe it flies, how safe is it really, without a cowling to protect people from those exposed blades? While at the moment the craft is seen as an extreme sports vehicle and is still in a concept and prototype stage, the craft might be used in the immediate future. The Dubai police force has reportedly tested it for use in monitoring large, highly trafficked areas, although the Dubai police have placed a 20-foot flying limit on the bike, even though it can fly higher. The Dubai police are well known on YouTube for having some amazing supercar police vehicles in their garage. I personally doubt they will ever use this in a formal fashion, as it has limited range and speed. It will probably just be used as a promotional vehicle. There is a special tourism department within the Dubai police dedicated to protect the tourist and to deal with them in English. The head of the police believes tourists will want to interact with police officers in these rare and beautiful cars. The Scorpion 3 hoverbike is available for consumer purchase through Hoversurf's website, as stated for $59,000 as of February 2018. In most countries, registration or a pilot's license is not required when the aircraft weighs below 115 kilograms. Scorpion 3 suits this requirement. The weight of the bike is 104 kilograms with its battery. With the growing trend of development in the world of drone technology, with various companies producing personal flying craft such as the hoverbike, the EHang 184 taxi drone and the Keyhole flyer, that maybe drone technology could lead to a revolution in everyday transportation. I guess only time will tell. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.